Hey everyone, my name is Lisa and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here and you love DIYs, home decor, and all sorts of home related stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the little bell next to it so that you don't miss another video. Today's video is going to be the first of a series. I am starting a wedding series on my channel. The videos won't be consecutive, but they will definitely be part of a series. And the series was requested by one of my viewers who is having a wedding for her daughter coming up next year, and it's an enchanted garden theme. So I decided to come up with some ideas for her as well as anyone else who may be having a wedding and want to do some DIYs for their big day. So to start off, I'm going to be using these two mirrors from the Dollar Tree. They are the round mirrors. I did have to order them online and they came in a case of 8 or 6 or something. And I spray painted them with the Rustoleum 2X in a bright silver. So I took one mirror out and I left one mirror in. So I just popped the second mirror back in there. And for the purposes of all my videos, I will be using hot glue, but if you're doing an event, make sure that you're using a really strong glue so things don't start falling apart on your big day. That would be really awful. So I'm going to be gluing the two frames together with just a one mirror in between. And also, depending on what type of item you will be setting on this tray, you will want to secure the backing by either adding more cardboard or adding more glue to make sure that it doesn't fall through. You do also have the option of covering the back with some fabric or some contact paper just so the black is not showing through, but it's definitely optional. Nobody's really gonna look underneath, but on your big day you want everything to just look just right, so that's an option. So I'm using this rhinestone ribbon that I got off of Amazon. It was like around $12 a yard, which is a little expensive from what we're used to with the bling wrap for $1. However, it is gorgeous. It's so beautiful. And I thought it was so wedding, like it just really went well with a wedding. So I decided to use that. And I thought, when you're getting married, you might want to splurge a little bit. I will have several ideas in my videos. Some are super budget friendly and some may be a little bit more on the splurging, like treat yourself side, more expensive. So I just used some hot glue on one end and then I wrapped it around. I didn't add any hot glue in between, just in case I decided to use this for something else in the future. And I also kind of didn't cut it all the way, but if you're doing this, make sure you cut it so that the two ends meet and it gives you a really nice seamless seam. And I just added some hot glue to glue the other side. And of course, make sure you don't put too much, nothing's oozing out. We don't want the DIY look, you guys. We don't want the DIY look. So as you can see, it is a really beautiful ribbon and it wraps really nicely around these two mirrors. Just a perfect width. Next, I'm using the Dollar Tree candlesticks. You have the option of going to like a Goodwill or some sort of a thrift store to find a really unique candlesticks for just about $1 or $2. And I'm using these because I already had them. But I do plan on going to Goodwill and getting more for other videos that I'll be doing on this series, so you'll see different types. And they end up being about the same price and you get that unique look. So and you don't have the Dollar Tree candlestick like, oh, I know this is a DIY type of look. So I separated the two candlesticks with two of the Dollar Tree napkin rings just to kind of give it a different aspect and add to the design. And then I added some glue to the top and basically set the mirror on top of it. Again, for your event, use a stronger glue. You can always mix E6000 or platinum bond with your hot glue, so hot glue would set right away, and then a platinum bond will give you the permanent bonding. So once I had that done, I have some flower mesh that I decided to just kind of sneak in between the ribbon. Since I didn't glue the ribbon all around, I just kind of snuck it around to give it like a more of a chandelier type of look. You can use anything. You can use crystals for this. You can use other things. That just happened to be what I had on hand. And that was it. For weddings, you want to do, if you're going to be doing DIYs, you want to do things that are going to be quick and that are going to be easy, but still make an impact. And I thought that this did just that. And yeah, you guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you thought, and if you have any requests for me to do any particular thing to add to this series. And I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. God bless. Bye-bye.